Sorry for the annoying flag. My pirate flag is about wore out. I just want you guys to see how deep blue this water is. It's like a cobalt blue. Best I can describe it. Almost like the old Landrum leaf spring blue. My favorite spot. I can hear the ocean. Nice and peaceful. A lot of times you'll see the dolphins just come up here and swim with it. One of my favorite views on the boat, just chilling there. We got the AC going on up there. But anyway, having a great time, and it's always good to have family and friends on board. Anyway, I just want to bring y'all a little bit of cobalt blue ocean to you.